Alright, so I found out how to do interpolation with rotations. It was actually really simple. Slurp instead of lerp. That's it. So I don't know what I'm going to do this recording, but I know one thing I'll do. I'm going to put the stick and other objects, pretty much any entity, I'm going to put it under, I'm going to hide all of them, disable all of them actually, and then enable it when you press play. That way you can tweak the settings before you spawn everything. So like with this one, I'll be able to tweak the tracking speed, then press play. Because what I notice is that if you play, it won't run the script. It won't run the conversion script, which is good. Which means I can just turn it on and off. So that shouldn't be too difficult to do. Also, another thing with the recordings, if I go over like 6 hours, it's like 200 gigabytes of images, which means I can't really use that jump cutter thing. So I probably have to find a different solution to cut my footage, or just record in 3-hour bursts at the max, maybe 4 hours at max. Probably be better for my health anyway if I don't constantly code for 7 hours straight. Well, not really constantly, but just constantly on the computer. So we're gonna do that menu system thing that I was talking about. You'll see. So in the game manager, I'm just gonna make an array of an array of game objects actually. Public game object, game ob to entity, game objects to entities. And then when you press start or play, start game here, I'm going to do a for loop. Oh wait, there's a shortcut I can use. There we go. And then game objects to entities dot length. Set that to true. This will activate the conversion scripts. So when you click play, you'll spawn a bunch of random entity stuff that was from my previous project, and it'll also spawn the other entities that you shove into it. So I'm gonna wait for it to compile and put the stick into the array. Hopefully it won't crash because it destroys the game object. That's what it's called. It's not an entity. So 145 tracking speed is the max I can go without it going too... Well, it's already going crazy around 140, but beyond that, it just doesn't work properly. So we're going to set this to 140. This is through ECS though. I noticed when you do it on the main thread, I think it changes. And not ECS, I mean job system. Through the job system, I think it does it faster, so I don't know. Because when I was testing it before with the normal update, fixed update, I had to put it like 500 or something, and like 100 to 200 to make it fast. But when I made it into ECS and the job system, I had to turn it down a lot. So we're gonna make the max value 145, so it's easier to tweak it. And minimum will be 1. So I might just make this a short video, and then just make logs of shorter videos. Wait, did I say that properly? Pretty much shorter recordings, and then use a jump cutter to cut it up. And then if I do something else later on in the day, I can record again and just change the log number. So to sum up what I did just now, I was talking about slurp, and that pretty much is the smooth rotations, and I made the tracking speed modifiable during runtime while you're playing the game for easier configuration. I guess that's it for now. I might make another one later, but until then, see you soon.